na two one na wo tena ho na wo kasa na enkrofo bebrebe na enkasa wo nka wo ho asem. They are killing people in cold-blooded. Or painful or no yin seno. Or my baba tena na two see a kumi pano etchan yema yini yema mama moja shiem. Those people go scot-free. At the same time, the two people has paid those people 1,000 Ghana cedi, which is 10 million old currency. Yeah, they are mass microphone. So many nukwa because of what they have exposed pastors. Na ebio wono susu free baby aba no susu ebe expose ni me che sumasia. You people have the guts to say yenkochino. For what? This is not right. Ye beti asem yo no abokene Japan kai because you be face fact bu ha. Ensem na man kai no bia be ni wanya ade na we. Honorable Kenny Japan has said so many things about this. I'm running to before Ahmed Swali was alive. Honorable Kenny Japan instructed people, and I will threaten that guy. Say he will make sure that guy will go down, and I will be instructing conform my bugano. And in a henna, Ahmed Swali is gone. Ahmed Swali, we and Ahmed Swali, you the Kuru and one way the Kuno. I was sabbat the two. Say. Kwamna owusu ejei obemi achim ye bechim na wo se hia na ring mu no omo financial ring mu boot for boot obebo man na adwetwe fu and now ade aba bechia me akwakote a ye se achi man no. So who is to be blamed? Ade se kwachi biem ne ye beti se ye se man na ewu a who is to be blamed? On my Ghana we have sometimes short memory. I'm not here to support anybody, but think about this. John Dramani Mahama Khan was in Ghana for no you were very short memory. Ya nyini maybe hu nkwa achiri nti nkrofo ye dede anoma form wadi. The same time before me bo audio so na mo wati ni be yi audio ni mu nsem ensem bi ono abokane Japan kan ya odwene ho abo hu se enye clear obadwene ho abo hu se ono susu eye de nema mimi di kan dada say exposition of asofofo na wo yi ni nyina no eye from somewhere or expose asofofo do because say on person asofofo no be ko atia MPP enti nyema bi obeyi abanye so watena ho no wadwene ho say asofofo no na edi Ghana nya oboa enye no kreda sa asofofo no na edi Ghana fo nya politicians in the queen, which he don't want to say it. He knows the truth, he don't want to say it. And what social de na kwakoko jina say asofofo no expose mu, which is not right, but he be din komobu wa. Honorable Kenny Japan, a branch here na ujina so na your friend Okoku, uwusu eje be ka say onimo. Onu udi nkomo ofon so krama ka say MPP for mo Jimmy. Say ya na de bia o kan omdo mu ye bogus, o kan sansem ni nyina. Afei de wa betena na tu sesa abrantie no unim ne baabia unim unhia na krada unini ni nkomoda nenso enne unhia na da unim ne da enso wahun se oye stolen cars wahun se abrantie no ne niema bi oye osuma se oye bi kra sofu djuma na odi enye no kre na ni nipa na oye na ntisa okohu no hen who gave you that information? Why do we have to sit down and watch because his party is on power ntino eso kasa free ne bo se do sipe bia no my Ghana no se ne ye kono. If the party, your party is on power, I don't know what you say for my Ghana and the ball, na the OPB and the fire. There be a juma waha. Semrani be ye juma dia. The law has to take its place starting from the 2 station. Semrani ntimi anko ne 2 anko kwashe nkrofobia. Omuso ma ye dede ye kum nipa osuma se dia, which means he say one kasa e dey declare so my Ghana say the esi kono. Omo switch niema. O de adwere ho kwa akiri. Ba ye ntie nsem ni nwie kura sa na mani wadi nkomo. Bo ma adwena mo wate se de esi ko because ebi mo wa omo ye hwehan omo hu de ko yenti asem bi wa yenti asem bi ono abokene Japan obeka wa yenti na yenyi mu nsem ye beti asem bi a obeka wa wo de ti ni epa obeka asem bi wa ti asem ono abokene Japan obeka ti asem bi obeka wa
software then someone how can e bi ni said that kind of viewers discretion yes then some people ma very very disturbing pretty bad language. Na oyusu ya odi ADD mami Jane Mensa te mami Jane Mensa electoral commissioner
Jane Mensa na omo kan woni this is Jane Mensa
de be mpo a achemo nkonwa no ana himfie ho baby ejabetom nam ne ade oyo sofo I don't know say prophets in the war man na say de be I really don't know but this is the state of it. Okay.
Before I bet to us, no say koku na be ka say oh we dey we sofo or sofo dey ade nti na obe ma so allegation bisa na mo refi say ono abokene Japan we MP or mrashi bedwani aya mo kasa mo ma analysis no mo ma nye clear ono abokene Japan we MP or mrashi bedwani nti ne mabi wo ha asem ho differences no or sofo dey mo kire ndi we so kasa mrashi bedwani dey mo nkire ndi we so zikasa o dey yenhwe ade
this is very disturbing and troubling.
interesting. Papa, you see, I see a friend no Kwabena Osu Eji. Are you sure this guy is a pastor? Are you sure? How can he be a pastor?
Calling for
Monfa Madame Jane Mensa picture Emetua.
Yes. Prince Mame Jane Mensa. Na yen hwe. Na subsequent previous on or your missus or your obawa for.
Jane Mensa na da hono.
Ne kunu ye Mr Mensa.
Yeah.
And you may do one. Yeah, na answer na me picture ne beba no. She said politics na ye into the main for some time. I said, Oben say show we.
Jimensa
I hear you.
Omo title say
you.
Where Ezekiel Apostolic Prayer Ministry. Only a solibia.
Say what? Okay.
But now may catch your viewers and say you should be rest assured. Say he'll be arrested.
Say what?
We want to see what NDC can do.
He should make sure also will catch your viewers say or assure mo say Kwabena Owusu no eje ombechi no. Na omonhwe de NDC for bede ebeye. We don't need any war in Ghana. Ya brene war, brutal war no. Munyai sadie no, because this thing that is happening right now, as you see, can bring war in Ghana. Moja bi sube hwiegu. Doubt it. Moja bi be hwiegu because or can asem will say viewers won't just adie we into say or no or be me ache no. And this can bring war in Ghana. What have you do?
He'll be arrested.
So what?
He will be arrested. Also, a bearman so upon face to face. Now beat the hell out of this guy.
What?
Oh my China, me babe chiwa brupa mo say yes.
So what?
A member of Ghana.
Oh, and seminar on book in Japan can to watch in it and you. And yes, I mean, I make cash and but take your time and listen to this man very carefully. Was say Obemi Achino, Nevin Puyanchina or no honorable in Japan and Kasabe Ko Akochina Boom. Don't take this in as a joke. Because he's not joking anywhere. He means what he's saying. And he's going to do what he's saying. Because said yes, he could buy now. Oh yeah, I'm a swell woo, you know. Nobody wants to talk about it. Because they are afraid to talk about it. Why? Because of Honorable in Japan. But this is not right. At the same time, we will sit down and watch. And this man will die. And the same hypocrite Ghanaians will come out and say justice for him. And that time the man is already gone. We will not sit down and watch for them to kill this man before we realize he may be an worker here. Correct. Honorable Kenny Japan have the guts to talk anyhow and speak to Ghanaians and talk to Ghanaians anyhow he wants. But when somebody rise up to speak his mind and to tell Ghanaians what he also thinks are, yes, he said any pan yam kochino, yes, he said any pan one kasai, yes, he said any pan one papa. At the same time, no, this was the same man who took Florence Obinim, Bishop Obinim wife, on his net too, insulting that woman mercilessly. Dinatem so dear brokra na se pieto nyina wo de beba abontin. Now they are talking about Jimensa. You have also the guts to say oba na ye dinatem. Why will you even use that statement? For what? This is not right. We are you there here some okay. Tieni yo obadwemba. Don't judge me wrong. Think about what he's saying. Never kwa adwendwenim. Na twen won se won tiase a. Se won tiase dia na why adwen se won tiase da. But he say me okay. We don't need any war. Justice for this man before they kill him.
Your friend no Kwabena Owusu Eji. Are you sure this guy is a pastor? Are you sure? How can he be a pastor?
Okay.
Calling for
Monfa Madame Jane Mensa picture.
Yes. Prince Mame Jane Mensa. Na yen hwe no. Na subsequent previous on or your missus
or your missus.
Imagine
Jimensa and Dahonu. Imagine they are calling her say she's a Mrs. Obawarefo. Where you know the same people, you sit in the two telling Florence Obinim that she's what she insult her anyhow. Didn't you people know and realize that he was also a Mrs.? Didn't you people also know that say also Obawarefo? How dare you people play with our intelligences? Continue, let's see what you're saying.
Mr. Mensa. And you may do one. Yeah, na answer na me picture ne beba no. She said politics na ye. Inti na me for some time. I said, "Obey say show we." See I hear you.
Omo title say, "Oye Ezekiel Apostolic Prayer Ministry." Only asori biya.
You see?
But now make catch your viewers and say you should rest assured. Say he'll be arrested. We want to see what NDC can do. The way I walk, he'll be arrested.
You'll be arrested.
He will be arrested. Also, a bearman so upon face to face.
Okay.
Now beat the hell out of this guy.
Beat the hell out of this guy. How?
You can talk trash and go scot-free.
If he cannot talk trash and go scot-free, how can you also talk trash and go scot-free? This what that man is saying in Yemana Walkan. It's not trash. He's telling you what he thinks, what he knows, what is happening. This is not trash. How many times has Honorable Kenny Japan also been speaking the same trash? Are we afraid of this man? And for what? Because of his money? Say, now we are talking about cash. Listen, oh, you cannot use your money to buy the people. You can fool all the people, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Can fool some people.
There's another one. Did matem more?
But I know the me say better.
No. There's another one.
Yeah.
Which one?
I would di matem. But akwawi. What a shemamia or die.
Yeah.
This one. He's
talking about with Jane Mensa.
He's talking about Jane Mensa.
Now, my unimu. And you do be a friend in Tropo.
Listen.
Because I can say,
I say
white, a be blue
in Tropo.
Yeah, in Tropo.
Sir, also a J-way. Name to set in Tropo. Now, Shamamia.
You see?
Politics in tea.
You see?
One word to me dinner.
You see?
Attempt the dear and have said.
You see?
Or say she is going to die.
Yes.
12. You die before the woman. Who better not try?
You see?
We pronounce.
This is where I'm telling you, say, justice needs to prevail before they kill this man. This man mentioned, say, Jane Mensa will die before 12. At the same time, Honorable Kenny Japan is saying, this man will also die before. Ghana for, don't let's just joke. Now, Owono is the blood is going to share. On the 12th is December. This man is also going to die before Jane. That means they are going to protect the woman to kill this man. You people have to be vigilant too. Namu face fact no. Namu hese this inkono. Na Honorable Kenny Japan epese moja bi war bisi wa, and this man has also already said it. Say if they don't also take time, let them dare him, and then blood will flow with Jabeto. Because I don't want to go deep, but to the tia say me wa
death on her.
Me say, also Jay, the way you are talking, what a dumb try. And I assure you, you will die before the woman.
And I assure you, you will die before the woman. Ghana for, this is about time you people have to be vigilant and be steady. If this man, Kwabena Owusu J, dies tomorrow, who is to be blamed? This was the same thing that happened before Ahmed Swali got killed, shoot, murdered. And now people are saying Honorable Kenny Japan is innocent. At the same time, this man is sitting in the two saying that this Kwabena Owusu J will die. Don't take death as a joke. Because before you realize, na omoko. Don't joke with these people. Politics is a dirty game which blood flows. Before the day will come, blood must be shed. Listen and listen good. Honorable Kenny Japan is voicing this out. Ghanaians will not pay attention to this until it happens. Make sure you know this. Notice this. Put it in your mind. Say, Honorable Kenny Japan has already said it. This man will die before Jane Mensa. So if this man dies, who is to be blamed? This is more than a threat also. But who watches the watchman? Let's listen. Tie.
That's right. Now you are going to be arrested. You will arrest you. And let's see what NDC can do in this country. We are not going to sit there for you to take us for a ride. We are fake a way. Almost stolen cars or count. Some bastards no NDC for high. Me ban Niger gaze so. We fake.
To talk cars, stolen cars.
Wait. O deep chasa mahama kotonet kro bedi.
Oh.
Because I need your bedi. You have never met me anywhere.
You have never met me anywhere. How did you also know that this man is dealing in stolen cars? If you've never met this man in anywhere, knows nothing about this man, why now? Ghanaians think.
Psychology on anybody. First of all, let me discredit you know, Kai.
Wow.
Call the 275 parliamentarians and ask when and a day when you have 45 visitors.
Goodness. It doesn't happen like that.
One.
Listen,
Never told me. And who are you for me to give you my number? Who are you? So what the question me? One to me and Kawasa man. Now I feel same tropo way. Now me the number amount.
You see?
I can't be more said. Also a friend now 9 and 5 a.m. My sorry, I make up. I don't make
Hey. 5 a.m. Parliament.
What's my sorry? Now make up. I want for losing. I'm catching or say, me, my sorry, me call you. Me call you, me Juma away.
What's it?
Oh, say what Jimmy?
You see how he is so.
Jimmy for first class. I mean, who when NDC ni Papa Biaka credit say, Collins da Danuma who fear Yansa Kakraka credit. Way Jimmy for way. Politics in tea. Utimi Casano. Now, the person bisa say, there for Queen Mothers and more Mati.
Yes.
Christian Council for Mati.
Say.
We want to know.
Say.
And man, the car says, Charlotte say post. Or the Fatu, Koji post. Again, and I'm here with Ghana.
And 7 over kicking no. Or Baba a psychological ways be wa. June Sassy moon quetchy, the Juno ye. A year quabna Wuswe Jibe can't say. Honorable Kenny Japan or frail telephone so. Or so no crowd or the respect now because when you say what the ja MPP you know who do come or the respect now. Name more frail telephone so. Now, offer a telephone so no all can be actual what God has revealed to him about MPP the way I'm over here my money ma. And honorable Kenny Japan respond to him say MPP for the Oma Jimmy a on one crop for Oma Jimmy pa. That was the statement he made. And then honorable Kenny Japan came to reply say Obwa unimni babia. And he cannot use his intelligences to beat anybody. Unimni babia. On find a number and must because yes, sir. That was a big also insult. When Honorable Kenny Japan insult people, people don't watch it. People just take it as this because it's Honorable Kenny Japan. But when somebody else insult or threatens or try to say the truth, this is where people come to attack. Say what this guy is saying is not right. Ask yourself this question. Why would they arrest this man for freedom of speech in Ghana whilst Net2 TV is also broadcasting fake news and also telling people say those people have not been arrested, but meanwhile they have been paid for exposition. So if people have been paid for exposition, why would we also sit down and say Obisu be exposing politicians? We have to get that guy arrested. For what? And now here is a case whereby Honorable Kenny Japan is also threatening this man, say he would die before Jimensa. And even if national security arrested this man, he will make sure he will meet this man one-on-one and beat the hell out of him. Are we Ghanaians sleeping or what? Let's face the fact and know, say, we will not sit down and watch for this man to die before we see say something is happening. We will not sit down and watch for MPP and Honorable Kenny Japan to kill this man before we realize it's too late. Ghana does not belong to MPP. Ghana does not belong to any party. Ghana belongs to us. And then I go my Ghana. See what Honorable Kenny Japan is saying. See the threat that this man is saying. He will make sure this man is arrested. So, and on the 9th of June, you see this man is arrested. For what? So tell me, Is it Honorable Kene Japan who instructed the national security to arrest this man? Or did they hear the information from somewhere? Information we know the coin, it was moving viral on social media. So the national security wants to tell me, say, what is happening in the two or Monte? What is happening in the two? The exposition of pastors killing innocent souls on Omonte. This is wonderful. Listen to the threat of Honorable Kene Japan. Maybe you understand me here. Listen to the threat. Listen. Listen.
Scot free.
Listen.
There's another one or did matem more.
But I know the
No. There's another one.
Yeah.
I would di matem. But aqua what a shemamia or die.
Yeah.
Mammy we
Jane Mensa.
Tio.
now share by my unimu. In your be a friend in Tropo.
Yes. Because I can say
I say
white,
Imagine.
blue,
Right, in Tropo.
Yeah, in Tropo.
Sir, Osua Jayway, Nanim to set in Tropo. Masha Mamia politics in tea, one who to me dinner.
Only that one.
Attended dear and Hammy said, or say she is going to die.
Yes.
Listen.
No, you die before the woman. What a Bernard try.
Listen.
We pronounce
Listen.
death on her.
Me say, Osua Jay.
You see how Kwekwenan can easily answer this question. Will throw death to her. As one Kasawa boss, Honorable Kene Japan is also coming to throw death in somebody. This Kwekwenan, I know it's because it's your boss, so sometimes you don't have anything to say. So you just have to support any kind of thing, bia or bia. The same thing applies to Honorable Kene Japan, telling this Kweku Usu Eji say, even if John Dramani Mahame shit krana ubedi. The same thing applies to Kwekwanan, even if Honorable Kene Japan shit, Kwekwanan will eat. The same. When
we are talking, what Bama try.
See?
And I assure you, you will die before the woman.
She will die.
That's right. And you are going to be arrested. Udin Chini, Eddie Meko, they will arrest you.
You see?
Let's see what NDC can do
You
in
see?
this country. We are not going to sit there for you to take us for a ride. When a fake a way, almost stolen cars or count, some pastors no NDC for high.
You see?
Maybe Niger gays also.
You see?
Wait, fake.
To talk cars, stolen cars.
You see?
Wait. Odi chesa mahama ko toilet kro bedi.
Imagine.
Because nini obedi.
Mahama kwa toilet kura no a Kweku kwabena owusu agi bidi. Se Honorable Kene Japan kwa toilet Kweku na obedi easy. Because Kweku na ono asem na ono wontie se de siti o. Whether good or bad, Honorable Kene Japan can no yes a massa. Even if Honorable Kene Japan you shit, Kweku na will chop or swallow. And you don't know.
You have never met me anywhere. Don't play psychology on anybody. First of all, let me describe.
You are saying the man should not play any psychology in anybody. At the same time, you are also playing the same psychology on us. Trying to play some audios and fake news concerning some fake pastors, which are not true. And national security people were there when all these things were happening. Where were they? And now, so become politicians as you people call for arrest. For what? This is the time you people watch and see, say, they just want this thing to happen because they are in power. All these things that is happening right now, currently as you're seeing, is because they are in power, which is not right. We cannot sit there and watch them for us to treat them anyhow. We will not sit and watch for this man to die before we realize it's too late. Honorable Kene Japan has repeated it and said it loud. Say he will make sure this man is arrested and die before Jim Mensah. So imagine sitting down and watch this man to die. And then we will say hypocrisy in action. We will come out and say we want justice for this man. Already then he's gone. Innocent souls has already been killed. And now this is the time for this man. And now they want to kill this man. We will not sit and watch for this man to die. Mark my words, if tomorrow we wake up and hear this man is dead, who is to be blamed? Honorable Kene Japan said it in the 2 TV that this man will be arrested. So who is to be blamed? National security, how did they got this news that they go to arrest this man? Who is to be blamed? Think about it. And now when we wake up again and hear that this man is dead, this man is being shot and dead, who is to be blamed? Ahmed Swali was threatened that he is a threat to the community, that people have to watch him. And then he will call people to even beat this man brutality. Before a week to come, Ahmed Swali is gone. And who is to be blamed here? Why do we have to sit down and watch all these things? We will not sit down and watch. Mark my words, a day is coming when this man will die. There will not be any justice for him again. You people will sit and watch this thing as movie and they will be killing innocent souls. Telling me they are telling you people the truth. This is a lie. This is a total lie. Think about it. Meanwhile, let's face the fact and face how it is. Why do you call for arrest? Where's the law? When all those people were sitting in the two, yobbing and saying all those kind of nonsense. Where were national security people when people were sitting in the two TV station telling people that they kill people? They are eyewitnesses of people who are dying. And you people sit down and watch these things to happen. For what? This is about time that we watch and listen to this very carefully. Honorable Kennedy Japan has repeated this. This man will die. This Kwabena Owusu-Adjei will die. Even if he's not dead and arrested, he will personally meet this man and beat the hell out of him. Think about this very carefully. Obadrim ba yebo ye kan bibi na akere wa. Bine sa nema wo nku akiri. Obanyansafo yebu ne be ye kan nsem pi. Me mpese me nsem be tintin se de be ya be bibi o me pese wo nyanto boase na uti asem na odwene ho ko akiri. If you people want justice, if you people want law, if you want people want law to prevail, that the law has to take its course, then it has to start from the two TV station with Honorable Kennedy Japan. Justice for all. Then we have to make a thorough investigation who killed Ahmed Swali. We have to also make a justice for Ahmed Swali. And then we have to make thorough investigation of Daniel Esiedu, the sexy Dondon. What is even happening to him? There has to be something to be done. If pastors are being exposed, politicians has to also be exposed. We will not sit there for Kwabena Owusu-Adjei to die before we talk about justice. This is the time we have to talk about justice. You people have to watch this thing and think about this very carefully because it's getting out of hand. What the game is going is getting out of hand. It's dirty game. And this time, there's going to be blood flowing. And I know there will be a time to come. We will hear some bad news again that somebody is shot dead. And who is to be blamed here? Nobody is going to talk about it. They will bury the case. Just as they bury so many cases. When this man was speaking, he talked about JB Dankwa. And the two people played that. And they did not even talk about it. Why? They seized that case. They don't even want to talk about JB Dankwa's death too much because they know already the allegations on them. So they buried that case. And now they go on. Obi Awusu Winimno. Now you know say he's dealing with stolen cars. Starting from Bedikubi. I know and I told people already, you can watch the previous videos that I did. Say, this game of exposing Asofo was just to sit down and expose them because religion is impeding the progress in Ghana. No! It all started this way and now it's ending this way. Now it is clear and it's clear and people will understand what I'm saying. It was very clear from the beginning. But you people did not watch. The exposition of pastors was clear from the beginning that it was politics. But you people did not understand. Now it's about time that politicians are coming to play the game here. And then we will see how it all started. And then you people will understand that the game started all because of politics. But you people do not get my point. I hope this time some people will understand me and get my point. This is face the fact. I'm facing the fact and it's reality. Makani here natural. Justice for Kwabena Owusu-Adjei before he died. We don't have to wait for somebody to die before we call for justice. Once the person is living, once the person is alive, justice has to prevail. The truth has to be prevailed. And then the law has to take its course. Nobody owns Ghana. Ghana belongs to us. It doesn't belong to Honorable Kennedy Japan or any party. It belongs to us.
History would have recorded it. There would have been no need to change history. We all know that it was Kwame Nkrumah who led us into independence. Nobody can change that history. Nobody. Dankwa didn't do fuck up. Dankwa is a ritual murderist. They should come and ask me. He murdered his own brother, Atia Mensah, the chief of Abidjan, so that they can blacken the stool of Ofori-Atta, his half-brother. This nonsense will not be tolerated. Are they the only Ghanaians? Why should we allow one small family to dictate to us? It will never happen. Let me tell them something. In June 4th, people were crying, let the blood flow. It was only military people whose blood flowed. Correct? Today, as I hear let the blood flow, it is the blood of the Achim mafias that will flow. There are two ways that I see. If we allow Akufo-Addo and his stupid Jim Mensah, that stupid girl, that idiot of a girl. Look, I'm telling Jim Mensah today, me, my grandmother, she has what every woman has. My mother, she has the same thing. All my sisters have the same thing. And everybody is born of a woman. If Jim Mensah thinks she was not born of a woman but came from some other angle, she should go ahead and do the new register. Let me watch her. She will die 12 midday. She will die just like that. Nonsense. Idiot. You are a foolish girl, Jim Mensah. You are an idiot. I'm telling you today. Try it and you see. What kind of nonsense is that? You think you are better than us Ghanaians? You are better than the Christian Council who have advised you? Better than the House of Chiefs? Nonsense. Stupid Akufo-Addo girl. What about damn papa? She mean a yo. Common sense kwa muni bi. Cause you're for. Finish like Ghana, to mama. Moi. Jimmy 4. Look, let me tell you something. Odifo Kwabena, he said 9 prominent MPP people will die before MPP wins power. Sometimes the prophecy doesn't come from me, but when the prophecy is authentic, God will tell me, monitor that prophecy. So I started monitoring. Now, I remember in 2015, before Parliament broke, the Lord told me, tell MPP to organize prayers at the Western region. I didn't know who to tell because I didn't want to go. Me, I don't like pride. Then the Lord said, well, Kennedy Pond says he's their financier, so go and tell him. So I went to Parliament, filled the visitors form, and then he came, he called me. In fact, I'll be very honest, he gave me respect. After that, but when he called me, suddenly about 45 people popped up from nowhere. Honorable my rent, honorable my school fees, honorable my medicine. I said, hey, is that what is going on? So we couldn't even dialogue. So I just summarized what I had to tell him. And then he asked me to call him the next day, 5 a.m. I didn't know he woke up so early. And when I called, he was up. He had had his bath and he was on his way to work. You know what he told me? Was this awful? Oh, he told me. He said, wait, Jimmy, and I'm sure honorable Mati. Oh, see my Jimmy, Samunima, my Jimmy, MP4, my Jimmy, free throw copying form. Honorable Kennedy Pond say, my day, my Jimmy, Nanado MPP, or Nanado MPP, and the Kennedy Pond with Jimmy, Baumia or MPP, and the Kennedy Pond with Jimmy, or Foriata or MPP, Safma for MPP, Jimmy or MPP, and the Kennedy Pond and Kanjap, what Jimmy, what Jimmy for? When Jimmy Akamunya Demuye, Mister, we are waiting for you. Hey, Mufasa Akwanis, the fire will fall. Do you know what I saw? I saw Achim the palace. I saw it on fire. And people were saying, let the blood flow. And I said, whose blood? They said, the Achim Mafia. Gabriel Chidakon, Asante Bedie Tuo. Name them, Safomafo. They'll run you all up. Do you know, thanks be to God, because of Corona, all the borders are closed. Nobody is going anywhere. We are all here. Until if you like, do what is right and live peacefully, or do what will cause the fire to burn, and the fire will burn you. Nobody is going anywhere. So that Pat Noah Fatogo now, Pat Noah Free Play now, Dubai. No, we are all here. We are all here. Nobody is going anywhere. Akufo-Addo, don't open the borders. Don't open the borders now. We will deal with you before the borders are open. You will do the right thing.